Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Peak not launching, or it just keeps crashing on Steam. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up Steam, make your way over to library, look for the game. Once you find it, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files. Now from installed files, you want to go ahead and check the verify integrity of game files option. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and X out of the Steam settings and you can go ahead and try launching the game, and that should fix the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager, and then go ahead and go over to display adapters. From here, right click on your GPU, hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for driver. Now once you're on search automatically for driver, you can go ahead and select that, and then that will start updating your drivers, and that is also one fix. Now you can also go over to the NVIDIA app directly if you have it installed, and then go ahead and choose download now from drivers, and then that will also help fix the issue. Now if you are on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or what you can do is you can go to a browser of your choice and go ahead and just install from the AMD website or NVIDIA. If you don't want to do it this way, if you're on NVIDIA. But anyways, once you do all these methods, you guys should be good to go, and I highly recommend restarting your PC. And then that should be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.